Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Everspace to not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings, and after that check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then just go back and go to GeForce Experience. Now go to drivers, check for updates and make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, and then just close this one, restart your PC, and after starting your PC open Task Manager, and now just close all the applications that you don't need, and that's it. After that your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.